X, formerly Twitter, becomes No. 1 app on U.S. App Store on news of Tucker Carlson Putin interview. After former Fox News TV host Tucker Carlson announced on X he would be interviewing Russian President Vladimir Putin, downloads of the app formerly known as Twitter jumped, sending X to the top of the U.S. App Store overnight. Multiple outlets on Wednesday, including Reuters, the AP, and the New York Times, have confirmed that Carlson's interview has already taken place, and the Wall Street Journal said the interview is expected to air on Thursday, citing unnamed sources. Interest in the Carlson-Putin interview likely drove a spike in new installs for the X app, which began climbing up the App Store charts around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and then became the number 1 app by midnight, according to data from app intelligence firm AppFigures. Its move unseated rival Instagram Threads, which was previously the top app and has now moved down to No. 2. Share, likes, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot.